How to fix Google Maps navigation. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Google Maps on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this what you should do, you have to go and open apps option. Here you have to search just for maps, because as you see there is all the applications that you have already on your phone. You will find it here. You will search only for Google Maps. Open it. When you found it, then you have to go to storage option, then go to clear data and click OK. Also click on clear cache, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click OK. And the last things is to go in to Play Store and update your Google Maps if it's not updated. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.